Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, heated seats, all-wheel drive, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.